Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we will be taking a look at the top 5 best cryptocurrencies to invest in 2021. So if you've missed out on the recent Bitcoin bull market cycle, this video is targeted to help you identify the next booming cryptocurrency, ensuring you don't miss out on this financial opportunity and potentially become the next crypto millionaire. Welcome to Financial Freedom Online, where our goal is to inspire and educate you to abundant wealth, allowing you to take care of your family and pursue your dreams without any financial issues. Be sure to subscribe and stay up to date with the best ways to do so. The cryptocurrencies that are being suggested have been researched and compiled by leading investment firms. We do suggest for you to do your own research before purchasing and investing into cryptocurrencies. Without further delay, let's get right into the video. At number 1, Ethereum. The primary Bitcoin elective on our rundown is a decentralized programming stage that empowers smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps, to be assembled and run with no personal time, extortion, control, or obstruction from an outsider. Ether, dispatched in 2015, is at present the second biggest advanced cash by market cap after Bitcoin. As of January 2021, Ether's market cap is generally 19% of Bitcoin's size. Ether, ETH, had a market cap of $138.3 billion and a for every symbolic worth of $1,218.59. Following the assault on the DAO in 2016, the Ether coin was parted into 2 new coins. Coming in at number 2, Litecoin. Litecoin, dispatched in 2011, was among the first digital currencies to continue in quite a while of Bitcoin and has regularly been alluded to as silver to Bitcoin's gold. It was made by Charlie Lee, a MIT graduate and previous Google engineer. Litecoin depends on an open-source worldwide installment network that isn't constrained by any focal position and uses script as a proof of work, which can be decoded with the assistance of CPUs of customer grade. In spite of the fact that Litecoin resembles Bitcoin from numerous points of view, it has a quicker square age rate and consequently offers a quicker exchange affirmation time. As of January 2021, Litecoin had a market cap of $10.1 billion and a for each symbolic worth of $153.88, making it the 6th biggest digital currency on the planet. Next at number 3, Cardano. Cardano is an Ouroboros evidence of staked digital money that was made with an examination-based methodology. The task was helped to establish by Charles Hoskinson, one of the 5 starting establishing individuals from Ethereum. The group behind Cardano made its blockchain through broad experimentation and companion research. The scientists behind the task have composed more than 90 papers on blockchain innovation. Cardano stands apart among its verification of staked peers just as other enormous cryptographic forms of money. Cardano has additionally been named the Ethereum executioner as its blockchain is supposed to be able to do more. As of January 2021, Cardano has a market capitalization of $9.8 billion and 1 ADA exchanges for 31 cents. Cardano means to be the monetary working arrangement of the world. At number 4, Polkadot. Polkadot is a confirmation of staked digital currency that is pointed toward conveying interoperability between other blockchains. Polkadot's center part is its handoff chain that permits the interoperability of shifting organizations. Polkadot is a new chain that allows developers to make decentralized applications. Developers can make their own chain with Polkadot, but they must also make safety efforts. This idea is known as shared security. As of January 2021, Polkadot has a market capitalization of $11.2 billion and 1 exchanges for $12.54. Finally at number 5, Bitcoin Cash. Founded in 2017, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, is one of the soonest and best hard forks of the first Bitcoin. In the cryptographic money world, a fork happens as the aftereffect of discussions and contentions among engineers and diggers. The Bitcoin network has a breaking point on the size of squares, 1 megabyte, MB. BCH expands the square size from 1 MB to 8 MB. As of January 2021, BCH had a market cap of $8.9 billion and a worth for each badge of $513.45. Thank you guys for staying till the end and enjoying today's video. We hope you found this video useful to you. Be sure to drop a like and let us know what financial topics you would like for us to cover next. Stay safe and see you in the next one.